Welcome to this lecture on the output equation of three-phase transformers. In order to derive the output equation of three-phase transformers, first we should consider the structure of a three-phase transformer. Here we are considering a core-type transformer. The same equation can be applied to a shell-type transformer also. So here we are considering a core-type three-phase transformer. Here we can see that there are three limbs R, Y and B, and it has two windows, 1, 2. So in a single window we have two primary windings, that is primary and secondary winding of R phase and primary and secondary winding of Y phase are there in a single window, in the first window. So there are two primary windings and two secondary windings. So total conductor or copper area in each window, that is AC, is equal to 2 times TP-AP plus TS-AS, where TP and AP are the number of turns and area cross section of primary conductors, and TS and AS are the number of turns and area cross section of secondary conductors. 2 is given in order to represent two sets of primary and secondary windings. That is AC, that is area of copper. AC is equal to 2 times TP-AP into TS-AS, that is equal to 2 into, here AP is equal to, AP means area cross section of primary conductor is equal to primary current divided by current density delta. So IP by delta into TP. Similarly, AS is equal to IS by delta into TS, and that is equal to 2 into 2 times AT by delta. This is because TP-IP is equal to TS-IS is equal to the MMF, that is AT. So you can say TP-IP plus TS-IS is equal to 2 times AT whole divided by delta. That is equal to 4 times AT by delta. That is equation number 1, which represents the area of copper in a window. But the area of copper in a window, AC can be represented as KW, where KW is the window space factor and AW is the area of window. That is equation number 2. We can equate these two equations, 1 and 2. So KW is equal to 4AT by delta, or AT is equal to KW delta by 4, that is equation number 3. This expression for AT will be substituted in the output equation. So the KVA rating of a three-phase transformer, since it is a three-phase transformer, the equation becomes Q is equal to 3 V phase I phase into 10 raised to minus 3. In order to represent this in KVA, we have put 10 raised to minus 3. That is equal to 3 E phase I phase into 10 raised to minus 3. We are assuming that V phase, the terminal voltage, per phase terminal voltage is equal to per phase induced voltage. That is equal to 3 into E phase is equal to EMF per turn into number of turns into I phase into 10 raised to minus 3. That is equal to 3 into ET, EMF per turn is equal to 4.44 FIM, and T into I phase. T into I phase is MMF, that is AT, but we have the expression for AT, that is from the previous equation. So by substituting for AT, we will get 3 into 4.44 FIM into KW delta by 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. So and also we can substitute for phi-m as BMAI. Phi-m is equal to BMAI. So Q is equal to 3.33 BMAI F KW delta into 10 raised to minus 3, that much of KVA. That is the output equation of a three-phase transformer. Thank you.